Laura, it's your second win here in Ruhpolding, so you're definitely the lady of the weekend.
Perhaps yes. It was my weekend. Today it was a perfect day for me. I shoot 0, and yes, I felt also strong on the tracks, and it was really the best weekend in this season, and that's here in Ruhpolding. Yeah, perfect.
How did you feel when you grabbed the German flag and crossed the line?
It was a really nice feeling, and it's perfect if you have such distance between you and the second. And yes, I take the German flag, and yeah, it was so nice, so many spectators, and a really great feeling for me. And yes, I'm looking forward for the next races, and I hope I can take the flag again.
And maybe you're gonna take the yellow bib as well.
Perhaps it's a long way, and today I was on the 6th position. I don't know what I'm after this race, but yeah, I'm looking forward for the World Championships in Oslo, and afterwards we can look on the overall World Cup.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.